Welcome to Dr. Smell Bell Verbal for ENT Yoga Artery. Today we are going to do a special pranayama in this yoga issue called as Bhastrika Pranayama. Actually, pranayama is the one which is coming as a fourth chapter in the Ashtanga Yoga, which is like a bridge in between the first three and the last four chapters. This Bhastrika Kriya Pranayama helps especially to inhale and exhale deeply so that we get away from the respiratory ailments. For that, you can use this pranayama as a warm up for the exercises, or even after the exercise you can do. The only one requirement or prerequisite for this is do it in an empty stomach. Why? Because you're going to use the muscles of the abdomen, and contraindication for this is about any ear surgeries, especially for ENT. Being an ENT surgeon, you should not go for this if you have gone for any ear surgeries or nose surgeries or any liver related issues or heart related issues. So please don't go for it, or any abdomen related surgeries you might have underwent. Please don't go for it. In that situation, try to avoid this. How to do this Bhastrika Pranayama? Bhastrika Pranayama. Just try to be in the Sukhasana and put your fingers like this on your flexed knees and take deep breath through the nose and keep it in your mouth, or exhale it for one or two or three times like this. Once again, deep breathe and inhale and exhale through the nose only. Close your mouth for 30 to 40 times minimum. Like, make it very fast. I did it almost for 100 times. After doing this, I feel that something vibration is coming into a spine and also my hands. So if you are able to do the maximum number of times inhalation and exhalation through the nose very fast, rapidly, there is inhalation and exhalation and wash out of the carbon dioxide, which will make you feel something like in a giddiness like sensation. And otherwise, you have got a lot of oxygenation into the body and different parts of the body, and I could feel the coldness and vibration of whole of the blood entry into the upper limbs and the lower limbs. By this way, you can understand that you have got some amount of increase in the power within the psychological issue, and then also your mental issues will be strengthened, and then you are ready for an exercise. And by this way, if you can do it like this for 3 to 5 rounds, and then you can just after that you can go into a bending posture. If you are keeping hand on hand like this, and then bend it on your floor, bend your head on the floor, and in that situation also you can do that for at least 2 to 3 rounds. So then you can feel something like something whitish things are coming into your eyes, and then you're able to see something like that. The perception will be there like that in few individuals. So based on that, you can slowly relax, and then once again you can keep your position like this in the asana, wherein you can find it like inhalation and exhalation will become as like a pleasure, and then you feel very happy. With this Bhastrika Pranayama, you have a lot of inhalation and exhalation process. All the tissues get oxygenated, and by this only you get the relaxation and all. It's contraindicated in people who underwent ear surgeries and also liver surgeries and any other heart problems that are there that are existing. So better do this Bhastrika Pranayama and get yourself about a very good concentration and peace of mind. Thank you for watching Bhastrika Pranayama by Dr. Smelbell Verbal for ENT from Hyderabad. Yoga is a better way of life for body, mind, and soul. It relaxes all the three things simultaneously.